I'm going to show you how to draw this cartoon carrot, so stick around. This is going to be cool. We're going to do some distance learning cartooning of a carrot. So we're going to start at the top and we are going to work our way down. You need a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper, and then follow along with me, Sammy Surf, and we're going to have a rather cool time. What you're going to do is you're going to go up just a little bit and you're going to draw a circle on the left and then a circle on the right for the eyes. All in favor say aye. That's what the number 8 does when it goes to sleep at night. Oh, time to wake up. Let's draw the pupils in the eyes. A circle on the left and a circle on the right, and then shade it on in. Shading, shading. Now let's draw the carrot. On the left, a curved line going all the way down and then go all the way up and then connect. And if yours looks a little different, that's okay. This is my cartoon style. Develop your own unique cartoon style. When I draw cartoons, I like to put faces on them, and I know you like to do the same. So let's draw a nice letter C for the nose, because I knows you knows what to do. You get it? You knows what. Okay, those are the best jokes I have, everybody, all right? We're doing distance learning. You're in the house, you're having a good time, right? Oh, yeah. As you know, carrots are very healthy for you. I eat carrots just about every single day, and I bet you do too. So let's draw a happy face for a happy carrot, a letter U, and then another longer letter U underneath. And then we're gonna add a line on the left and then a line on the right for the mouth. You know that song, Papa Ooh, Mouth, Mouth, Papa Ooh, Mouth, Mouth, Papa Ooh. I like to draw a tongue inside the mouth. I call it a mushy M. And then inside of the mouth towards the top, we're going to add some shading, shading. Yabba-da-ba-ba-da, yabba-da-bum-ba-dum-ba-dum, yum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Hey! I like to give my cartoons arms. So we're going to draw 2 lines going down on the left and then 2 lines going down on the right. And those are parallel lines. Now we're going to draw the hands, 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right. Take your time and remember to practice, practice, practice. At the top of the carrot, it's called the leaf. It's green. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your time and keep it simple and silly. I always like to write a caption. So you write the words first and then you do the speech bubble. I'm going to write, eat your veggies. And veggies, as you know, is short for vegetables. Take your time with your printing. That's why your teachers show you how to print and they help you print. Remember, practice, practice, practice. After you write the words, now we're going to do the speech bubble portion. You can do any kind of shape. I like to do kind of a wiggly line sometimes, and then kind of a sideways V towards the carrot, and then connect. Now you can do yours a little different. Remember, develop your own unique cartoon style. Ridicule. Now we're going to add some detail on our carrot. We're going to draw a curved line, and then a curved line on the left, and then a curved line, a curved line, a curved line on the right. Ridicule! Now we're going to add some action lines, 2 curved lines on the left, and then 2 curved lines on the right. And then I'm going to add a little bit of shading, right over there. And there you go for your carrot cartoon. Ridicule! Thank you so much for watching. Virtual high five, virtual high five, virtual high five. This is so much fun showing you how to draw a cartoon of a carrot step by step. Ridicule!